Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to open an account with N26. First of all you have to do is open the N26 website on your computer or your laptop. Then all you have to do is click on open free bank account on the top right corner. Select the option. From country of residence, you have to enter the country that in which N26 is supported. For example, I will select Belgium because Belgium is supported with N26. So I will click on get started. From here, I have to type my email address. So they have also mentioned some of the steps to create an N26 account. For example, I have to enter my personal information, my home address, my additional information, tax information. I have to create a password confirmation, and then I will be able to create my account. So I will type in my email. Now what you have to do is enter your first name and last name, your date of birth, and click on continue. And then you have to enter your address information. And after that, you have to enter your additional information. I will click on continue. What's your nationality? I'm Italian, for example. You can type any nationality. I will click on continue. From here, you have to enter your gender. Click on continue. No, I'm not a citizen. And then click on continue. Are you subject to tax in the US? No. I will click on continue once again. Hit continue once again. Type in or choose any password. And then I will click on continue once again. From here, again, I have to hit continue, terms and conditions. And you have to select create my N26 account. Now you have successfully created an account with N26. You can now check your email for confirmation. And that's how you can create N26 account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.